This one-pot cheesy steak fajita skillet is everything you need for a family dinner. The recipe starts by thinly slicing some flank steak. You can use any steak cut of your liking. We transferred the slices to a bowl and seasoned with salt and pepper. For the veggies, we sliced some red onion, green peppers, red peppers, and jalapeno for some heat, but you can leave it out if you're not into spicy food. We added some olive oil to a hot skillet and cooked the onions for 1 minute. We then added the peppers and cooked them for 2 minutes. We seasoned with black pepper, salt, paprika, cumin, and oregano and tossed until just fragrant. We transferred the veggies to a plate and set it aside. We added more olive oil to the hot skillet and went in with the steak slices. We cooked them on both sides until golden, then transferred them to a bowl. We added cream cheese and grated cheddar and mixed until incorporated. We transferred that mixture to the same skillet and spread it into one even layer. We topped the cheesy steak with the seasoned cooked veggies and a generous sprinkle of grated cheddar cheese. We baked the skillet in a preheated oven for 10 minutes, then broiled it for 1 to 2 minutes until the cheese was golden and bubbly. We finished it off with some sliced avocados, fresh cilantro, lemon slices, and more jalapenos. And there you have it, a quick and delicious meal worthy of your special ones.